Hi everyone, and welcome back to Remember What the Doctor Said. In my earlier episode, I talked to you about a paunch and how you can reduce it. I had mentioned in that episode that after doing exercise and following a proper diet, if you're still unhappy with the way your abdomen looks, or you're experiencing discomfort because of the sagging skin, the two choices that you can think about are liposuction and abdominoplasty or tummy tuck. Tummy tuck or abdominoplasty, as it's medically called, is a surgical procedure that can help you reduce your paunch. The surgery is carried out under general anesthesia, epidural anesthesia, or spinal anesthesia, which is decided after the anesthetist examines the patient. Basically, abdominoplasty involves three procedures. 1. Tightening of the lax abdominal wall muscles which contribute to the paunch. 2. Repositioning the navel or umbilicus to the position which is optimal for your height and body structure. Third, and the most important part of the surgery, is removal of the excess lower abdominal fat and repair of the wound. The incisions are made so low that it's called a bikini line incision. Post-operatively, this procedure does not require any bed rest, and patients are encouraged to walk about from the next day itself. You can resume your normal activities, walk, climb stairs, but there are a few things that you should avoid post this procedure. Primarily, lifting weights should be totally avoided for the specified number of days as explained to you by your surgeon. Avoid smoking completely post procedure, as this can hamper wound healing. You will be required to wear an abdominal binder for a few weeks after the surgery to offer support to the healing wound. This patient presented to me to see if something can be done about her sagging abdominal wall. On clinical examination, she had a lax skin of the abdominal wall, her musculature was pretty weak, and she also had a hernia of the abdominal wall which she hadn't noticed. Through a tummy tuck incision, I repaired the lax abdominal wall musculature, repaired the abdominal wall hernia, and excised the excess lower abdominal fat. This young gentleman presented to me following weight loss which he achieved by exercise and diet. After he lost about more than 50 kilograms, the problem that he faced was his abdominal wall, his paunch, started sagging. The sagging skin was constantly rubbing on his upper thigh, which is causing itching and difficulty in cleaning that area. He underwent a tummy tuck, wherein I removed all the sagging skin, tightened his abdominal musculature, and also repositioned the navel, as I had mentioned. The patient is now able to keep the area clean and his dresses fit more properly, as he says. Always consult your doctor to see if liposuction or abdominoplasty would be best for you and whether you need a surgical procedure or not. Consult your surgeon and discuss with him regarding the pros and cons of any surgical procedure before you undergo the procedure. Always remember what the doctor said. Thank you.